Hello there, I just thought I'll do a little review on the SQ Professional Near Rossa 32cm die cast magic pan. Now I bought this for myself, because being a double-sided pan, it'll help me as being a truck driver. It'll help when I'm frying stuff, keep the top side closed, and it stops the bit spitting out over the cab. Now this one, it has a spur silicone seal. It says that it is gas hob safe, it's suitable for electric hob, a halogen hob and a glass ceramic hob. It's also oven proof to, so oven safe to 400 degrees C. So let's have a look inside and have a look at it more closely. So if I open the box, it's the box, that's where we get in the box, with a bubble wrap there. It comes after the one in red. There is also a black version. It comes in this sealed protective film, vacuum sealed. Now I just noticed that with it saying on the box that it is oven safe, or oven, you know, to put in the oven. It's got a plastic handle, which obviously you can see straight here, so I would like to just try that out. I mean, I'm guessing if you put it in the oven and that melts, I'm guessing you could say that you're saying it's oven safe. So I'll just peel this wrapping off. Put that down there a minute. Now, as I can see straight away, nice. When you shut it, got a nice good magnetic two magnetic things there that when you shut it shuts it tight. You've got the silicone seal here that when you shut it, it's a nice seal there. Inside you get your spur silicone seal, which is quite nice. And then what I've noticed, honestly, straight away, is that this bottom piece is much thicker, or depth should I say, as you can see, than the top. Now when I bought this, I thought about the advantage of it is, say you're doing an omelette or something like that, or something, you can put it on your pan there and then flip it and put it on that side. But if you have something that you're cooking there, if you've got maybe you're cooking a deep fill, well, when you turn it, it might not fit into the depth of this. And I didn't realise that. I thought the sides would be the same depth. So that's, whatever it is you're cooking an omelette, that depth is fine. Obviously the bottom bit, it's got these like little ribs here that when you're cooking steak or something, it just whatever that needs to do. Obviously it's got like a non-stick coating film, which is quite nice. And then obviously, as you see here, it has a little, I'm guessing an air vent, because when that is sealed, that's sealed in, you want little air vent there. Now this can be separated. There's a little split washer that you call them, but you pin that out off and that will slide that way off. It uses this SQ Professional logo as the touching the flame griddle bit, so this bit wouldn't touch it, it'd just be this bit here, same with this side. I'm guessing as you come to use it over time, the finish of the pan will deteriorate because of the heat and that, but only time will tell. But I'm going to give this a go, see how it goes on. I mean, it's made quite steadily. I think that's got quite a bit of a magnetic click on it, so that's quite good. And yeah, just ready to put in there, just stick in there, pick that too, and on my griddle thing, my stove, when I'm cooking bacon, sausages, burgers, or anything you want to cook in there, it won't spit and all that lot. So yeah, that is the SQ Professional Neo Rossa die-cast double-sided pan. And yeah, I bought this on eBay, but just put it into your search engine and it'll come up, and you'll see what you like to purchase from. But yeah, that's it. The double-sided SQ Professional Neo Rossa die-cast pan. Yep. Thank you.